Lucy bought an item at a store that had a 40% discount on the second item if she bought two. If Lucy bought two of the items and paid $19.80 for the second item, how much did she pay for both items? Okay, here the key phrase is 40% discount on the second item. So if this price represents a 40% discount of the second item, that means that the original price, right, should have been just decreased in a 40% discount factor. That is 100 minus 40 over 100, that is 60%. So solving this, you can get the original price. Okay, since we have a decimal point here, you can just here, and this 0 multiply here, and you just get 128 equals 6p. So from this, p equals 33. The original price was 33, the price with discount is 1980, so the total price paid is 33 plus 1980, and you can get a number that ends in 0.80, right? The correct answer is C.